event that we're going to organize is inclusive run. This is a marathon with Adventures Beyond Barriers and organized by the Adventures Beyond Barriers Foundation, ABBF, supported by the Rotary Club of Panjim Rivera. And as you all know, they've explained what it is. It is happening on 12th of October, morning 6:30 onwards AM. Starting point is Inox Panjim, and we have three categories: 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 7 kilometers. It's with the person with and without disability running together. It's an amazing event that we would witness, because over 5,000 participants will enjoy the running for in this to prove that we are really inclusive and we take forward all the categories of disability together. The changing, it helps us to changing the mindsets and shattering stereotype disabilities around us, celebrating Goa's push for a more inclusive state and a nation, expecting more than 25 countries to participate, and we are associated with United Nations, and we had we have a collaborations, and we had two important meetings with United Nations. Mr. Shombi Shroff is leading, he is taking a lead. He will get all his people, associated with this, resident commissioner's office. They will be here for 4 days, at least for 4 days, and they will do all the best to get all the nations together.
Good afternoon, and thank you, Minister Sir, thank you, Pavaskar Sir, and thank you to all the media, without whom we cannot spread the word of disability inclusion. We cannot bring that reality to life of creating spaces in the mainstream for people with and without disability to play together, to work together, to live together, to celebrate our differences together. 20 years ago today, I lost my sight when I woke up blind one morning, and that was the day, and today's the day. There's such a huge difference. When I woke up blind, all of these sports were taken away from me. This is what I did for 20 years, and all of that was taken away, saying blind people with disability cannot do this. And 11 years ago, when we started this foundation, none of this was possible in India. But today, thanks to everyone's support,